Hello everyone, Tilla from Perfect Pronunciation Academy. I have got a really interesting thing today. It's really short as well. It is how to pronounce the word, well, the furniture shop that I love, and I'm sure a lot of you love, IKEA. Now this is very interesting because this is a Swedish furniture shop, and if you're from Sweden, you probably will pronounce it the right way, and I would like to apologize in advance because I'll probably say it the wrong way. Now, I live in Australia, but when I was living in Singapore, the shop IKEA was called IKEA. And so I used to call it IKEA all the time when I was living in Singapore. However, when I moved to Australia, everyone called it IKEA, as opposed to IKEA. So they said IKEA. So I've started using the word IKEA rather than IKEA. So I was really intrigued actually one day, and I just went to Google, how do you say this word? And lo and behold, I think the correct way, or the Swedish way of saying this word, is IKEA. Obviously I've got the wrong accent, I think, but it's probably not IKEA. So, public service announcement, because I always have been calling it IKEA ever since I moved to Australia, so I just thought I will let the fellow Australians know and fellow people in the world. If you're speaking to someone from Sweden, you might want to go IKEA, just to make the day. That's it. Be sure to join my email list at perfectpronunciationacademy.com to pick up my private, exclusive freebies unannounced to the public. I will see you on the other side. Goodbye.